Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, on today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. I put it on my lap. I put it on the table. Oh, I can hear something.
It's fragile, so be careful.
Oh, fragile. Wow, fragile, guys. Here, I need... sorry. I need to... Oh. Okay. So that's it. And... so it's like that. And like this. And... oh dear, I need to do it like this. And oh my gosh, I can see something.
Be careful, don't tip it upside down because it might break.
No, I'm just sliding it because it's heavy, darling. What do you expect? I am Superwoman. There. Oh my lord. Okay, so I'll put it here. Okay. So which is up? Is that up?
I don't know. Have a look around. Maybe
It
not.
should be up. Is like this.
Is it?
Oh my lord. Yes, I know. I can see the flap in here to open. Yeah. Alright, okay guys. So the unboxing today is Canti Asti. Is this antispumante?
It's similar.
No. Oh, so this is how to open.
Just different brand.
Oh, this is my favorite, guys. It makes it harder. Now, easy. Okay. Oh, so this is the one
Miniature.
yeah, miniature. So this is Canti Asti. Oh, this is so nice. Thank you so much, darling.
You're welcome, my darling.
I can put one in my bag when I go. That keeps me warm outside because it's already cold. So this keeps me warm. Is it that amazing? Oh wow! So how many in here?
Hopefully 12.
12.
I hope.
Yeah, 3, 6, 9, 12. Yeah, it's 12 in a box. Amazing! My favorite. Lovely. Wow, this is so nice, guys. Have you tried this, guys? It's not very strong.
I think it's 7% alcohol.
Yes, it's just minimum, is it? It's just
Not minimum,
slight.
but not maximum.
Not maximum. What is
Normally
maximum?
sparkling wines are around 11 or 12%.
Oh. So look, this is
Like
a
Prosecco.
7% volume. So that is the 7% alcohol content.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes, the same as Asti Spumante.
And this is hello my
Hello,
baby.
baby.
Hello, come here. Kiss mama. Kiss. Thank you. So this is 200 ml.
Yeah.
So it's very handy when you are watching TV.
It's like just over a quarter of a
Yeah.
normal size bottle.
Just drink bit by bit, and then by the time the
Normal
film
size.
finish, it's done.
Yeah, normal size bottle is 75 ml, and every time we open a normal size, if we're struggling to finish it.
Yeah,
so
we always have
we
difficulty.
normally only have about half. So
Yes, so this is the right size.
yeah,
And it will finish definitely it will finish.
Yeah, these work out a bit more expensive, but
Yeah.
small bottles always do.
It's
I
so
think they're about
nice.
£2.20 each,
Yeah, so this
roughly.
also this is product in Italy.
So it's like Prosecco.
Yeah, because it's Canti Asti. That is a Italian word, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's millesimato. So 2022 product year. Production year is
So 2 years
2022.
ago.
So it's 2 years ago. So it's nice and ripe. It's already ripe and ready to drink. It's nice. Oh, I can't wait later, darling. Blah, blah,
We have to put it
blah.
in the fridge, make sure it gets cold enough.
Yeah. Oh, cheers. Yes. All right. Okay, guys. So this is the unboxing for today. This Asti, Canti Asti.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Cheers,
And
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
cheers. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Yeah. Bye-bye.